Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Chief Architect. Chief Architect is a home design software for creating 2D floor plans with easy photorealistic 3D views. It offers a vast object library of furniture, windows, and fixtures that help you decorate your designs quickly. The drag and drop interface and smart tools keep walls and dimensions properly aligned as you build. You also get built-in cost estimates, materials list, and landscaping features that simplify planning. Many users praise the speed and ease of creating layouts and switching to stunning 3D renderings. One user said the ability to manipulate the floor plan and surfaces quickly has been a great help. But there's a catch. There's a noticeable learning curve, especially for roofing and kitchen layouts. Some Reddit users describe roof modeling as an absolute nightmare with frustrating workarounds. Customer support and tutorials are strong, with forums, video guides, and phone support if you have an insurance plan. But a few reviews call it over-engineered and complain that the jargon can be confusing. Pricing can feel steep, especially if you need advanced features or tutorials. In short, Chief Architect is great for creating pro-level plans and 3D visuals without the complexity of full BIM tools. But if you're tracking detailed roof designs or kitchen cabinetry, be ready for some patience or consider an easy C80 tool. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.